I'm Christina from Travels with Ted. I've been a full-time RVer since 2016, and today I'm going to share some of my RV kitchen must-haves. First up, plastic clear storage bins. Clear storage bins are essential for our RV kitchen organization. We use them for everything from oils and spices to silverware to cups. Some of our RV cabinets are high up. Some of our RV cabinets require us to stack things. So having clear bins allows us to easily see everything that we have and really stay organized. Up next, nesting bowls. We use this set of nested mixing bowls for everything. We use the small bowl for little sauces. We use the big bowl as a mixing bowl. We use the ones in between to eat our soups and salads on a daily basis. Now, since I bought this, I've seen ones that actually have the measuring cups and measuring the teaspoons also stacked in so that all of that is in one nest. And I would definitely buy that if I was going back to purchase again. Next up, a camping French press. This is the Stanley Stay Hot French press. A French press is the best RV coffee pot because you don't need electricity. So we can use this when we're boondocking. It's also very compact. It goes in our sink on travel days. And because this one's like metal, it's super durable. We don't have to worry about it. When you're in an RV, you want small, compact everything. So cheese grater, instead of a triangle, we have this cheese grater that has rubber so it lays on the table, but when it's in the cabinet, it's flat. Next up, compact cutting board. We often cut on our kitchen counter where we have little pockets of space, so this mini cutting board really works well for our RV kitchen. There's plenty of room to cut one pepper, one onion at a time, then we slide that into the pan and move on. Next up, unbreakable dishware. So we have these plates. They are microwave safe, which is important because we do use our microwave in our RV, but you want dishes that if you drop them, they won't break and they won't scratch in the cabinets. Next up, our Magic Bullet, this mini blender. We don't have room in our RV for a full-size blender, but smoothies and creamy soups are two of the things we eat all the time, so having a blender is a must. And this Magic Bullet is awesome. And I really love that what the smoothie is blended in is also a cup, so I can blend this and then I can put it right in the freezer and have it ready to go for a travel day. And finally is my dish rag oven mitt all-in-one, which my aunt actually hand sewed for me. So you see it's got this button, so we can hang it right on the handle of our stove. And then it serves both as a dish rag and an oven mitt. And because it's got that button, I can just hook it right on the handle of the stove and leave it up for travel days. So those are all my RV kitchen essentials. Thanks for watching and happy camping.